So a person who would be majoring in anthropology is someone who has an insatiable curiosity about the world, both the world around them locally, but also the world globally and internationally.
We go to medical examiner offices and help identify individuals that have come in without a name.
I am looking at teeth of the ancient Maya.
Cool aspect about my job is that I get to handle and research artifacts like Lincoln's plaster cast.
Here at Michigan State, within Sociocultural Anthropology, we also have tracks that are interested in linguistic anthropology as well as medical anthropology.
I got lab experience, now I want to get field experience. Sorry I didn't do it earlier, it's fun.
Michigan State University has a long history of a commitment to experiential and hands-on learning. And in this department, we offer a wide array of those kinds of opportunities.
Cool aspect about my job is that I get to handle and research artifacts like Lincoln's plaster cast that was taken 60 days before his assassination. He sat for the sculptor Clark Mills. My main job here as an associate curator is creating digital content, and that's working across our curatorial team to sort of develop ideas and then turn those ideas into something that we can actually put on our website. MSU offers a lot of opportunities for anthropology majors, from campus archaeology, from doing field school at Morin Village, and also from volunteering in the archaeological collection, sort of recataloging and cataloging artifacts. Being able to work here at the Henry Ford, especially just a recent college graduate from the MSU Department of Anthropology, I'm very lucky. It's an amazing collection here, and I am just in disbelief every day when I come into work at what I get to do and what I get to see.
I was really, really excited when I found that I could actually make a living and do a job I loved in the history and science field. It was my focus in anthropology and handling objects that helped get my internship here through the Sims internship program. And I've been here 17 years now.
So sociocultural anthropology is really interested in contemporary societies, and in particular we're looking at individuals and how they are both products of their society and also how they also produce society in terms of creating histories and creating culture. Here at Michigan State we have faculty who work primarily in sociocultural, but under that we also have people who work with linguistic anthropology, and then also medical anthropology is a very strong subfield here at Michigan State.
Here at MSU, the Department of Anthropology is strong in three main areas of biological anthropology: forensic anthropology, bioarchaeology, and human biology. Many of our courses include considerable hands-on, experiential learning opportunities.
I'm a physical anthropologist, and specifically I'm a bioarchaeologist. So we here at the MSU Bioarchaeology Laboratory focus on the analysis of skeletal remains from archaeological sites.
I've always been really interested in bones and evolution and human history, so it fit pretty well into all of my interests. Over the summer, I'm going to be working on an independent project about Harris lines, which are essentially bands in bones that you can see in x-rays that indicate growth interruption. So generally, it's an indicator of things like famine, environmental stress, and disease.
I've always had an interest in anthropology, and I decided that I wanted to come to MSU because it was a big university that had funding for research. I'm part of a greater project of working with the ancient Maya from Central Belize. We're doing digital models of the crania, and I've handled the mandibles for that. I'm taking measurements on the mandibles, and we're going to see what that can tell us about the crania and about the people and where they're from.
Computers have the added bonus of lasting significantly longer than we will. So we can just have a database that'll last forever of remains that maybe won't be around in another 100 years. So it'll be good long-term analysis.
So my duties at the lab when I first started were very simple. I was helping clean up, helping do literature searches, and then as time went on I started assisting with data collection, running assays, analyzing the data, and now I've worked up to spearheading some of my own research and working on a manuscript to hopefully be published in the near future. The kind of work that we're doing in this laboratory is very important for especially infant health, and it also has some implications for maternal health worldwide. Even it's not specific to any one region, and I'm very excited about the research we're doing. I think it's very helpful to a lot of communities, and in some cases we're even filling in gaps of research where there's not a lot of knowledge.
Not very well known is biological anthropology. I think what we do makes difference. So if students are interested, especially interested in living people, health, nutrition, immune health, just disease resistance, things like that. That's what we do here. I really enjoy, because I enjoy working with undergraduate students. I really hope that future students will try to reach us and try out.
The ongoing work in these laboratories provides many exciting research and experiential learning opportunities to our undergraduates interested in biological anthropology.
So the difference between how campus archaeology runs here as opposed to other places is that the university has said, in order to be good stewards of the past, whenever we disturb the ground, we need to make sure campus archaeology has the ability to come in and look. So we have a model of the sort of stages of development of the university. The historical range in terms of people, we have at least from 3000 BC up to today.
This is an archaeological field school. This is my first one. It's pretty much required for any anthropology major to either go to grad school or to get a job in just archaeology or anthropology. I got lab experience, now I want to get field experience. So that's why I decided to do this year. I'm kind of sorry I didn't do it earlier, it's fun.